Akbar and Birbal story, The Strange Golden Tree. The stories of Akbar and Birbal are an integral part of Indian folklore. These tales highlight Birbal's intelligence, cleverness, and quick wit. Birbal often solves difficult situations in a simple and amusing way. In today's story, Birbal cleverly solves a challenging question presented in Akbar's court, bringing both laughter and learning to everyone. One day, a wealthy and arrogant merchant arrived at Emperor Akbar's palace. He said, "Your Majesty, I have come with a challenge. If anyone in your palace can solve it, I will give them my entire treasure. But if no one can, I will believe that there is no wisdom in your palace." Akbar asked, "What is the challenge?" The merchant revealed a beautiful tree made of gold. He said, "This tree is a symbol of my hard work and intelligence. Every branch has golden leaves and fruits. But this tree hides a mystery that is hard to understand. The wisest person in your court must determine the true value of this tree." Akbar looked at all his courtiers. Everyone was puzzled. Finally, Birbal was called. Birbal examined the tree carefully. With a smile, he said to the merchant, "The true value of this tree can only be known if it is properly examined. May I inspect it in my own way?" The merchant replied, "Of course, but make sure not to damage it." Birbal asked for an empty bag and said, "I will reveal the tree's value by filling this bag." Birbal slowly began to pluck the golden leaves and fruits, placing them into the bag. The merchant panicked and shouted, "Birbal, what are you doing? This is the result of my hard work. Don't touch it." Birbal laughed and said, "If it's truly valuable, then why does it bother you if I pluck a few leaves and fruits? I am simply trying to determine its worth." The merchant stayed quiet but grew increasingly anxious. When the bag was full, Birbal said to the merchant, "Now the tree is empty. You tell us, what is its true value?" The merchant quietly replied, "The value was in the leaves and fruits. Now it means nothing." Birbal turned to Akbar and said, "Your Majesty, this tree teaches us that real value lies in usefulness. If we only focus on outward beauty and decoration, we lose the true essence." The merchant realized his mistake. Apologizing to the emperor and the courtiers, he said, "I tried to show off my cleverness, but Birbal's wisdom taught me that true importance lies not in appearances but in utility and truth." He kept his promise and gave his treasure to Birbal. Akbar praised Birbal and said, "Birbal, not only did you protect the honor of our court, but you also taught us all a great lesson." Moral: from this story, we learn that real worth lies not in outward appearance but in usefulness and truth. Intelligence and practicality are essential qualities to solve life's problems.